how you can turn off your active status on Snapchat. Now, turning off your active status on your Snapchat is a bit different than turning it on and off on your Messenger or any other applications. So I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us start. First, what you'll have to do is just open up your Snapchat. And after you've opened up your Snapchat, what you'll have to do is just go to your profile section that is on the top left. And after you've tapped on it, go to the settings option on the top right. And after you're there, just scroll down till you see the privacy controls. And under privacy controls, you will see the activity indicator. Now, let me get this clear that active status is a bit different on Snapchat. People will only be able to see that if you have been online recently or not. So by turning this off, any of your friends or any of other people won't be able to see if you have been active on Snapchat recently. So this is basically like turning your active status on Snapchat off. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the video too. Thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.